Welcome you all in this video. Myself Yogesh Bhavsar, working as an assistant professor in electrical engineering for MVP's College of Engineering. So this video is prepared as an introduction to the Unit 1 and the subject Electrical and Electronics Engineering. So this subject is for AC Mechanical Engineering, having 100 marks theory, which divides into two exams. One is 30 marks in semester based on first two units, and the 70 marks end sem exam based on the remaining units. So let us see in this video the Unit 1 objectives, outcomes, syllabus and references. So the Unit 1 objective is to understand Arduino IDE, an open source platform, and its basic programming features. So the main aim or objective of studying this Unit 1, which is a introduction to Arduino, the name of the unit. To understand Arduino IDE, the Arduino IDE is a programming software which is required to program Arduino board, which is an open source platform, and we have to study its basic programming features. And the outcome for this Unit 1, on the completion of this unit, the learner will be able to apply programming concept to understand the role of microprocessor and microcontroller in embedded system. So embedded system nothing but a system which is made for a particular task. And with the help of this processor and controller, we can make that embedded system. And when we will be able to apply this programming concept to understand this thing, so then we can say CO1 will be achieved, we will be satisfied. The syllabus for this unit is, the first topic will be introduction to microcontroller and microprocessors. The introductory part will see their general architecture, differences, their applications. The second part will see role of embedded system. So what is embedded system, what is their role. Then we will see open source embedded platforms. There are some open source embedded systems are available, so we can use that for our application. Then we'll see introduction to Arduino IDE, their features. This is a programming software, it is called Arduino IDE. So we'll learn about that, their features, that IDE overview we'll learn. The programming concept, how the program will be uploaded into the microcontroller, that concept we'll learn. Some programming structures like variable, functions, conditional statements like if, else, while, loop statement, that we'll learn how to use that and when to use that. Then the last topic we'll see concept of GPIO in Atmega 328P based Arduino board and digital input outputs. So we'll see general purpose input output ports where we can connect digital input output devices. Also some analog pins are there, so we'll study that in detail. So this is the syllabus for this Unit 1 of the subject. Some of the references you can refer, and also I refer to make the upcoming videos on this unit. One is Barrett Steven, the Arduino microcontroller processing for everyone. You can refer this. Then Ajay Deshmukh's microcontroller theory and application. Then the website you can refer arduino.cc, official website of Arduino, or you can refer some diagrams or electronicswings.com. So these are the references for that. Okay, so let's from next videos we'll start the videos for these topics. Okay, thank you.